Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here and welcome to the video. Today is the week 2 update of the Carnivore Lean Bulk. So if you haven't seen the first one, then I'll put a card up here somewhere and you can watch that one first. So what I'll be talking through this episode is, of course, the weekly weigh-ins, the weekly changes, progress towards my goal of reaching 85 kilos. I'll show you my dashboard, the personal bests in the gym this week, and also an example day of eating with all the macros. So let's get into it. So here are the weekly weigh-ins. So I started 1st of January at 71 kilos and 13.1% body fat. And as you can see there, we ended the week on 71.45 kilos. So up 0.45 kilos in 2 weeks. So what was the averages and how does it compare to last week? So my week 1 average was 70.4 kilos and the week 2 average was 71.14, which is quite a big jump of 0.7 kilos. So in my first week, actually my weekly average was down from like the first day. So I managed to basically claw it back. I wasn't intending to like gain so much, but even though it's technically 2 red weeks because it's outside of my weekly target, which is a quarter to half a kilo per week, I'm still pretty happy with where I'm at, to be honest. So I've got under 14 kilos now left to go for my yearly goal of 85 kilos. And here's a screenshot of the dashboard, not too much change. And to be honest, this won't be too exciting for January, obviously, because there's nothing really to compare it to. But it's nice to see the predictions, and these are based off over 2 years of daily weigh-ins. So it'd be good to compare what my actual results are to the predicted ones month on month. And I've added there from the last episodes the weight change and body fat change. Obviously, it's not really relevant for January, but eventually it will be. So let's have a look at my gym performance in week 2. So still a lot of greens, which is good, and actually only one red, which was the isolateral wide sort of like chest press on the machine. Yeah, not too sure what happened there, but yeah, the rest really good. I was happy with the progress, particularly on the back exercises and also the preacher curl as well. I'm hoping I'll be able to knock out that overall PB on the right there in the next month or two. But we'll see. I did actually tweak my hamstring a bit. I went for a swim in the sea on Saturday, and it was super choppy, and it was pretty cold as well. But I basically kind of like jumped into the wave and sort of hurt my hamstring a bit. I just had ACL surgery, so it wasn't too good. So I didn't do a leg day. I'll probably have like a week off the legs just to like let it recover. But yeah, apart from that, very happy with the week 2 gym progress. Okay, on to a kind of typical day of eating for me. It's actually slightly less calories than I was aiming for. So on this day, I actually went to the gym slightly later than I planned to. So at the moment, I'm not allowed to drive, and I kind of go to the gym whenever like someone else is going, either a mate or someone in my family. So I ended up going to the gym about 1 o'clock. I usually go at about 10ish. So I managed to have my breakfast like normal, which was a 5 egg cheesy omelette, which was 790 calories, 50 protein, 63 fat, and 3 carbs, which is what I've been having every day so far, and it's been great. And then lunch is usually the post-workout meal, and I did have it post-workout. So it's just 2 steaks cooked in butter, 96 protein, 65 fat, 0 carbs, 1,000 calories. And I did actually have snacks. I'll show you the snacks first. So I had this before the gym because it got to around midday or 12:30. Well, just before I was about to leave for the gym, and I was kind of feeling a little bit like peckish. So I had a snack, which was a piece of ham and some butter, which was how many calories? 209, and it was 5 protein and 20 fat. So yeah, the lunch I had like post workout, so probably would have been quite late, like 3:30, 4ish maybe. And then I had my usual dinner, which is minced beef, 25% fat, with cheese. And this is usually less than I would have because I had such a late lunch. I wasn't as hungry when it came to dinner. So I'd usually aim for around like 400 grams of mince, but I basically just keep eating it until I can't eat it anymore. And I only managed 250 this time for 880 calories. And that was 54 protein, 72 fat, and 1 carb. So total calories for this particular day was 2,800, which is a bit lower than I would like. I usually aim for around like 3,000 or just over. So total macros were 206 protein, 222 fat, and 5 carbs. So yeah, that's everything for this week's update. If you're interested in going through something similar, or you want to lean down first, whether it's carnivore diet or not, then you can click the first link in the description. Apart from that, that's everything for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.